What's the meaning of Beverly Hills? Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills is a city located in Los Angeles County, California, in the United States. The name Beverly Hills comes from Beverly Farms, a wealthy suburb of Boston, Massachusetts. The area was originally a Spanish ranch where lima beans were grown, but it eventually became a popular destination for wealthy individuals and celebrities due to its sunny climate, beautiful homes, and luxurious lifestyle. Today, the city is known for its extravagant mansions, high-end shopping and dining options, and proximity to Hollywood. Beverly Hills has become an iconic symbol of wealth, luxury, and glamour, attracting visitors from around the world who are drawn to its glitz and glamour.